Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make juicy chicken thighs in Polynesian sauce. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, then place the skinless chicken thighs in there. Drizzle on olive oil about 2 tablespoons on top of the chicken, then bake uncovered for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna make the Polynesian sauce. In a medium bowl, combine Thousand Island dressing, pineapple, and soy sauce. Then mix until well combined. This chicken recipe combines simplicity and bold flavors, making it a no-brainer for those midweek meals. You need to try it, guys. You're gonna love it. At 25 minutes mark, pull out the chicken, pour the sauce over the chicken thighs, then sprinkle red pepper flakes. Lower oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for additional 30 minutes until chicken is done. Our chicken is done, guys. It smells so good in here. With this recipe, I remove the chicken skin off. You can leave the chicken skin on. It's up to your preference, guys. This sauce, it takes this chicken to another level. It's so delicious. It's amazing. The flavor, just the flavor, guys, it's indescribable. Okay, guys, let me show you how moist this chicken is. I hope you'll try this recipe. Share it with your friends and your family. And please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.